Hello, my name is Terry Dean Nemmers, and on July 6, 2011, I was maliciously arrested for engaging in the legal, not illegal, activities of filing a criminal complaint and filming a criminal complaint. Well, now it's August 15th, 2011, okay? Now, most of you people would think that I'm long into this malicious prosecution. No, I'm just at the initial appearance stage. I haven't given a plea yet in this trumped up charge, okay? And if you watch my other videos, you'll see why this farce is, taking so long. All right? So anyhow, today, August 15th, 2011, at 3 p.m. at the Lawless Polk County shithole courthouse, there's going to be another kangaroo court hearing, and the head kangaroo is going to be Charles Glasrud. Alright? So we'll see if he's got a vested interest in this case also. Because there's going to be plenty of embarrassing questions asked today, and if you want to hear them stonewall, invoke their right to remain silent, and engage in gaslighting techniques, today is the day to see it. You'll see that this is nothing but a kangaroo court. So I'll give you the phone number, 634-5727. Now you want to give these people a call before you show up, because they have a history of making sure people don't come and see my hearings. Because I teach you a lesson that they're a bunch of crooks every time I show up. Alright? And again, here it is. This is on the sidewalk of the Lawless Polk County Courthouse at 634-5727. This is July 25th of 2010. This is last Waterama. I was assaulted by the judge's wife. Okay? Because I was handing out information exposing my malicious prosecution of 2009. Alright? Obviously she didn't like it, so she assaulted me. So I notified Neil Nelson. Yeah, guess who's prosecuting me? Guess who's the judge in my case? Yeah, Staffsholt, the judge's wife who assaulted me. Who's prosecuting me? The guy who maliciously prosecuted me this time. Alright, see? Nothing like a vested interest in the case. Conflict of interest. People have financial and personal interests. Anyhow, like I said before, lots of embarrassing questions are going to be asked today. They're going to invoke their right to remain silent. They aren't going to want to say anything. They're going to stonewall. Okay, and again, like I said, they're gonna start using gaslighting techniques. Okay, this is from my own personal copy of Dorpat's book on gaslighting. Okay, I mentioned it in a previous video. Okay, and essentially what happens is, and this is a quote from the gaslighting book: by making another person feel fearful, guilty, or ashamed, the manipulator is in a position to gain control over the other individual's effects, thoughts, and behaviors by substituting his own beliefs. This is the basic mechanism of gaslighting, whether used in everyday life, in psychotherapy situations, or in thought reform and mind control manipulations of cult leaders. Some advertising many social interactions in which one person attempts to gain control over another are based on this principle. Okay, so watch for that today. You'll see it happening. It happened the very first the kangaroo court hearing that we had with Staffsholt. It happened the second kangaroo court session with Staffsholt, and it'll happen in this kangaroo court session with Charles Glasrud. Okay? Because they know this is a trumped up charge. They got to steamroller it through, so that's why they're not going to answer the questions. They aren't going to be full answers, they aren't going to be complete answers, and they aren't going to be truthful answers. See? That's the way these people work. Just like this was, the sheriff got up on the witness stand, said a whole bunch of half-truths, limited truths, truths out of context when he wasn't telling bald-faced lies. See, that's how these people work. The stupid people believe them because there's hints of truth in there. Alright? So, come down here and see the truth about this kangaroo court. All they're there to do is to violate your rights and shove an agenda down your throat. That's Lawless Polk County Courthouse at 634-5727, 3 p.m. Come and see the fireworks. Thank you for your time.